Alright, so we're here. It's the, there's no special name to it really. It's actually just a big factory stock race. It's $1,200 to win with a whole bunch of different prizes going out to a bunch of different people, like first to third in the heat race, and it's kind of just prizes spread out throughout the field. So we're here, we're gonna try our luck. Not much that happened. I don't know if y'all saw it yet. I may put it in the same video as this, but last weekend wasn't really our weekend. Had a engine malfunction. We turned 7,800 RPMs, and that is way too much, and it puffed a little smoke and I pulled off, but it's still all right. We're gonna try again. As you can see here, I fractured my wrist at practice at the beginning of the week. So today we're gonna try our luck and see if I can race with it. I mean, I'm gonna race with it either way. It just, I think this right here in between my thumb is the main problem right here. But again, I think we may be all right. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna strap y'all in. We're gonna go straight to, I think, the heat race. Yeah, we're gonna go straight to heat racing. So y'all hold on tight. So a very rough night for sure, definitely. The old number one Speedway. It just really wasn't our night. It was, I guess, my fault. I put a right rear on after last weekend. What happened? I don't remember what happened, but I guess I just completely forgot to tighten it, and it stripped out the whole rim and stripped out those lugs, or not the lugs, the studs, and so I thought I was done, pretty much. There's nothing you could really do. We had some awesome people there helping. I mean, we had a lot of people down at the pit, and we actually had a little tool that would regrind out the studs and pretty much get it to where the threads are good again. And so we did that, and then we got enough washers to stick behind each and every one, you know, being even, and got the lug nut back on there and went back out there. That was a very bad tire, but it's all we had. And so we went back out there, and of course, then you saw I just pulled off, and it was just a bad night. I had a left rear flat. There was about a hole that big in it. I don't know. I must have caught something on the track. Once again, not our night. But thank you guys for watching. It's actually Saturday right now as you're watching this, and I'm editing it. But we're about to roll back out to old number one with the late model and the factory stock. So you're going to be seeing this video of the late model and factory stock. You should be seeing this video today, okay? And then you should be seeing the video, or the day that I'm here, on Monday, if that makes sense. So hopefully you get it. There will be a video today, and you'll get a video Monday. So thank you guys again for watching. Thank you so much. We are almost at 800 subscribers, which is ridiculous. And I can't thank each and every one of you enough. Thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't posted in a while. I promise I'm still alive. We've just been sucking it up, and there's been nowhere to race. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.